Hello guys and welcome to my channel White Coders, and today is day 4 of our 100 days of code challenge. So let's get started with it, and today we are gonna be seeing another Hackett rank challenge. This one's named attribute parser. According to a challenge, we'll be given uh, the number of queries, the number of tags or lines. These are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the number of questions or required inputs that we have to check. So according as per this, there will be a HRML code given which will have custom tags. As you know, HTML doesn't have custom tags; it only has predefined tags. So they are using basically XML, and HRML is a form of that. So they are using. I don't know if HRML is a form of that. Let's just search it. HRML. Mm, yeah, it's basically XML as per this. Okay, is XML and HRML same. Yeah, they are the same because it isn't showing any differences for them. Hmm. Basically, let's just get into everything. So now the problem is that we'll have, as per them, there will be nested tags. Tag 1 dot tag 2 dot tag 3, and we'll have to find the attribute and its value. Basically, we'll have to create a dictionary. I don't know how to create a dictionary in C yet. Let's. So as we can see, according to the question, let's just read the question once. This challenge works with a custom markup language HRML. In HRML, each element consists of a starting and ending tag, and there are attributes associated with each tag. Only starting tags can have attributes. That means only the main tags. We can call an attribute by referencing the tag following a title and the name of the attribute. The tags may also be nested. The opening tags allows the format tag name, attribute name, value, attribute to value. The closing tags follow the format as we see in HTML. The attributes are referenced as if it shows the tilde what tilde, yes, tilde sign, then it means we have to reference the value, and if it shows a dot, that means we have to access the next nested tag, and they are nested as explained. So the question is, the first line consists of two space integers n and q dot n. Specify the number of lines of HRML source program. Q specifies the number of queries. So basically n and q, and will be the number of HRML lines, and q will be the queries we need to solve. Queries follows each query consists of string that represent the attribute in the source program. More formally, each query is the form of tag 1, tag 2, tag 3, and tag m attribute name, where m will be greater or equal to 1. Okay, that's a constant, and tag 1 and tag 2 are valid tags in the input. That means only those tags will be given, those are present in the source program. And according to the constraints, n must be greater than or equal to 1 and smaller than or equal to 22, and q as well. So that means mm, it won't pass 20 characters. A program must, the time constant should be 5 seconds mostly. All tag names are unique, so there won't be same tag names, which won't cause problems in a program. A tag can have no attributes as well. Okay. Okay. So basically, we'll have to create a nested dictionary. Let's see, nested vector. I thought I'll use a library namely libxml, lxml, libxml. In Python, it would have been easy. We'll use beautiful soup or a module lxml. So let's just get started around how can we do it. Now let's just create a folder. Not in here. Therefore, a file attribute parser.cpp. I already wrote some code. We can actually use maps and vectors together. So what I'll do is I'll create a. I was thinking about how I'll do it, and I saw a person use maps. I did not see the code or how they implemented it. I just saw what he used in the discussions. He used maps, but I was thinking I wasn't actually gonna use maps. So I'll be using vectors and maps. So first let's take an input. Also a temp input would be fine, and it won't be a integer, it will be a string. Temp in scene temp in. I don't think we'll use vectors. I'll just try passing strings. I'll split the string with this, take all of this, and then I'll try to find if there is a slash in that tag. I'll just probably create I'll create a void. What it will pass here is integer n and string line. Let's just consider firstly a dict will be a map string it. A map can have a map string string. Okay, this should probably work. Considering the main map will be the HTML root code. So HTML or XML or whatever. So first let's just create. First you'll get the line, the input line, and then we'll try to split with delimiter, this one, with this delimiter. So let's just put this delimiter here, string delim1, so this one, okay. And then we try to find the string. That's all here. So yeah, token. String token is equals to, we'll go and do it in a loop. So string dot find, it's string, or yeah, it's line dot find delim. Yeah, delim1. Line dot substring. For now, let's just do this and we'll print out. Check if it's working for you. Scene, press, and then we'll create a big. We'll just pass AI, because I is that one, and then quest. No, I don't think that's quest. That's campaign. Yeah, campaign. Okay, let's just try this out. Okay, what if I do 0? That's the right output. 2,3 prints the same again and again. Tag one value hello world. It should give me this part, right? The tag one value. Isn't it working properly? Okay, let's try this. It won't work. Okay, let's just okay. Try something else. Integer j is equals to 0. Okay. How can we move through an it should output that while just using j while line j is not equal to okay, I got it. This one closing tag cout line of j. Three. Oh no! Oh no! I knew what. Forgot to close the loop. No j plus plus. My God! Oh, don't just forget that. I just okay. It's kept on printing B B B B B B. Oh, it starts from uh why doesn't it get the tag one? 3. Okay, now that is something weird. Attribute partial. What kind of error is this? Let's give it a string line. Okay, string dot length. See out line of J. Hmm. Okay, and I guess I'll have to use just not getting that complete line with separate spaces. I guess that should work. 2, 3. Why isn't it it is not catching these tags for no reason. That's not even possible. Let's just see if descriptions are proper. It's quite tough, I guess. While line I is not equal to space or caravan. Line dot substring 1 I minus 1. Hmm. I just need to find out why isn't it in the whole line, man. I'll just try it again. Again did the same thing. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. I still don't get it. Let's just try this. I'll just try to print shit again. Two, three. What? Okay, I might think it isn't capturing spaces properly. Does not work. Ah, what the fuck? What the fuck was I doing, man? Why am I taking an input again? Fuck. Fuck. I was already taking an input back there. Okay, now this is better. I can now start to actually. First, we'll check if it has a ending tag. Ending delimiter would be, I guess, this. I would have done this way too earlier if it was in Python. Well, let's say I'm learning with it as well. String dot find. Okay, it will be like string. That I found it. I'll work on the closing tag later on. This else it will mean that I'll just take all of the inputs in this line as only. Just let's just take the initiate line or not integer string line string tag attribute and lim. Let's just create a vector first. That will store all of the values. Likely Telling it'll find first basically it'll find string string separated is equals to line dot substring. Where did that go? Substring. Yeah. Line dot find. Try to run it. I know guys it's been quite long that I've been performing this, but this is quite hard actually. I'm learning how to actually split strings, work with them, working with strings. And this is quite fun as well. I won't stop the challenge until I complete it. Not an issue. I might pause it for a period until I go eat and come back. So let's see what is the issue here. If I use 0 here, I'll just end this. Use 6 again. 6, 4, 3. Okay, separated goes blank here. I mean, substring would be from 0 to until it's find until it finds that position. So 0 0 would always for sure print. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. Line dot find delim, comma -1. Okay, now this will be cool. Let's try it again. 4 3. Haha, it worked. Yes, it works. सीना पागल दीवानी तूने हसीना पागल दीवानी. I'll use a vector. I'll use a namespace to actually. I'll use a vector to store at what tag I am currently. That will be easier. So vector string. I'll name it as, I guess, mm, cur tag, and I'll split it using delimiters. This is like that meme. It was showing error here first. So I just undo it, and I did redo it, and again the error is gone. Cur tag. So if it's fine, if it finds the tag, yeah. So it found the tag. We'll just do here -1. just need to strip it using. Mhm. Try this. Um, so now it has that separated string. As of this, I need to split, like, this is my, yeah, that's my tag one. So I need to just split it into space. So the tag one first split would give me the tags and I'll push it into current tag. That means I'll know which tag I'm currently working on, and this attrib I'll push it into just last in. I just name it last str. Okay, so the last string would be attribute, and if it finds that delimiter equals to, so it'll just, the next one it will make a pair of that and it will push in into that vector of the map. Oh my god. Okay, I just need to again think of how will that body work, how the vector. This is my map. This is my map, which can take a string and a vector. Okay, so if I just start with test one, it'll have all of the attributes. I'll create a vector, and the vector can will have map. Okay, yeah, the vector will have map. So in test one is a map. Test one or tag one basically. Tag one is a map, and now I'll create a vector. I'll create another map now for the attribute, and that attribute will be considering name, and that will be something first name. Okay, so it'll make a map, and I'll push it into the vector. Yeah, then first will be pushed into the vector, and now the vector has the attribute of map. And now what I'll do is I'll create, and as the delimiter closing delimiter comes, it'll end, and if it'll then check if the tag is closed or not, and if it's not closed, it will open a current tag. It will push current tag 2 in current tag. So now my tag knows of which tag it is working on. So now tag 2 is a part of tag 1, and tag 1 is a vector. Okay, so tag 1 is a vector. Actually, tag 1 is a map with a map. Tag 1 is a map with a map. But what the fuck? How will I? Okay, let's just draw 3 diagram for some shit like this. Tag 1, it is a map. Okay, and I'll create a storage vector, namely tags of that. So what I'll do is if I'll get an equals to delimiter, then I'll just push the tag of maps. That will be a map attribute and value, and that will be pushed into that map. Yeah, the bigger one. Okay, into the bigger one. Now when it comes to a tag 2, that will be a map as well. But tag 2 will have this will be a vector. Oh no, this will be a map. How will I implement this? Okay, I'll pause the video because I need to think about it. I'll